Through the flicker of a helmet camera, the world of war opens in raw, unfiltered detail. There is no acting here, no movie set, only reality. Smoke, mud, and the sharp smell of gunpowder fill the air. Every step, every breath, every shiver of the camera pulls us closer into the life or death moments lived by Ukrainian stormtroops as they launch an assault on Russian trenches. The ground is wet, uneven, and cruel. Soldiers move low, their rifles steady in trembling hands. Ahead, only a few meters away, lie enemy positions hidden in narrow trenches. This is not a battlefield of sweeping movements, it is a world of inches. Each soldier advances from cover to cover, running, falling, rising again, relying not on words but on quick hand signals and glances. Here, silence speaks louder than orders. Explosions thunder in the distance, then closer, echoing through the earth until ears ring. But for these fighters, this sound is no longer foreign. It has become part of their reality, part of their everyday. As the camera drops into a trench, the scene changes. Dark, narrow passageways, broken timber, and dirt walls make up a claustrophobic maze. Somewhere inside, Russian soldiers are waiting, and the stormtroops know they must strike first. We watch as a grenade pin is pulled, the sharp metallic click lost in the chaos. The grenade arcs forward, and the blast fills the space with smoke. Out of that smoke, the stormtroops surge, pressing deeper into the trench. At any second, a shot could ring out, an ambush could unfold. The helmet cam shows it all up close, too close, forcing the viewer to feel as if they too were running in that narrow line between life and death. These soldiers are called elite for a reason. The storm units are tasked with the hardest jobs, the riskiest missions. Their role is to break enemy lines, to carve a path forward for others to follow. It is dangerous, often near suicidal work, but without their courage, larger offensives would stall. Watching them advance, we begin to understand the price that courage demands. The camera does not hide their exhaustion. Heavy breathing, shaking arms, dirt and sweat caked on their faces. But alongside that fatigue is determination. Retreat is not an option. For them, each meter of trench is not just ground. It is freedom, it is survival, it is their homeland reclaimed step by step. Footage like this cuts through the statistics of war. Beyond the numbers and reports, we see the individuals, their fear, their grit, their will to fight. Every bullet fired, every explosion, reminds us that behind the headlines are real human beings. Each soldier in the footage is someone's son, brother, father, or friend. Modern war is filled with technology, drones, artillery, missiles, but at its core, victory or defeat still comes down to people. It comes down to the soldier willing to enter a trench, to fight face to face, to risk everything. In that reality, no machine can replace human courage. As the footage fades, the weight of what we have seen lingers. There is no sense of entertainment here, no thrill. Only the heavy realization that this is war as it truly is, chaotic, brutal, and deeply human. The stormtroops, through their helmet cameras, show us a world most can only imagine, and most would never want to face. And yet, through their struggle, one truth becomes clear: freedom is never free. It demands sacrifice, sometimes the greatest sacrifice. These stormtroops carry that burden, step into that danger, and in doing so, remind the world what resilience looks like. Old Studio Car brings you not just images, but the truth behind them. Truth that is difficult to watch, but impossible to ignore.